The dust is settling on Jones Street at this hour after state lawmakers overrode a string of Governor Josh Stein's vetoes. House Republicans were able to get enough help from Democrats to accomplish most of what they wanted to do. WRAL Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie is live at the Legislative Building for us this noon. Laura.
Jeff, the state lawmakers set a veto override record today with 8 vetoed bills being enacted into new law. The previous one-day record was 6 overrides. And they did have help from various Democratic state lawmakers here in the state house. The issues that were overridden deal with everything from guns, electric bills, to guns in schools, to defining gender and cracking down on illegal immigration. The highest profile bill that was overridden this morning exempts Duke Energy from carbon reduction goals that utility agreed to meet several years ago. It also allows the utility to start charging consumers now for power plants it plans to build later. Supporters say that will keep costs for electricity lower, but the governor vetoed it, saying it ignores climate change and will transfer more of the cost of power onto consumers instead of businesses. It was quickly overridden in both chambers.
The Power Bill Reduction Act is about one thing: saving all consumers and ratepayers money on their electric bills from what otherwise they would pay without this bill.
Our planet is on fire. Look at the flooding we had in Chapel Hill 2 weeks ago, $50 million worth of damage in a simple rain event. Look at Helene. Look what happened in Texas. All of our hurricanes, 1,000-year events happening every year. We have got to reduce our dependence on carbon.
Other bills that were enacted today include, quite a few obviously, private schools can now allow adults to carry guns in classrooms in those schools. Law enforcement must check the immigration status for more criminal charges against people that they pick up and whose immigration status they can't confirm. Gender is now going to be defined under state law by biological organs. And we have a full breakdown of all the other new laws, as well as a few of them that were not overturned today on WRAL.com. And of course, a much fuller story for you coming up this evening on WRAL. Laura Leslie, WRAL News, live in Raleigh.